Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks the process. First, make sure your iPhone or watch supports Apple Pay and is on the latest iOS. This avoids compatibility errors. Next, check your Apple ID region and that the card is active in Wallet. Banks block new ads for mismatched regions. Once verified, toggle Wallet and Apple Pay in settings and restart the device. This clears transient glitches and prepares you for re-adding the card. You now work through the more detailed execution. Remove the problematic card and re-add it in Wallet, using camera entry for accuracy or manual input if needed. Then complete bank verification, approve through the bank app, enter the SMS code, or accept a phone call confirmation. Banks often block tokens until verified. Also, make sure your network is stable. Switch Wi-Fi to cellular or turn off VPN, because token exchange requires a reliable connection for secure communication. You finish by enabling Face ID or Touch ID plus a device passcode, because Wallet needs biometric or passcode authentication to issue tokens. Then run a low-value test payment or transit tap to confirm tokenization and NFC communication. This validates the end-to-end flow. If Apple Pay still fails, reset network settings or sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: if the bank repeatedly rejects the token, contact the issuer. They control token approval and can clear holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.